Seedling production does not require much experience and large material investments. To obtain quality seedlings, that is, plants without diseases, pests, resistant to cold and drought with a well-developed root system, protect your plants in a completely natural and organic way. Feed your plants in a completely natural and organic way. Watch the best top dressing in this video. Dear friends, before we start, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for this. 1 teaspoon of dry yeast. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Half a liter of water. Mix well and leave this mixture for 2 hours. These agents are cheap and available to everyone and are 100 times more effective than various chemicals. These are completely natural ingredients and will prevent the development of pathogens and parasites that attack the plant, strengthening the root system, which is most important. Water the plant with this mixture every 15 days. Dear friends, share this video with your friends on social networks. Thank you.